Hello, thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making smothered turkey burgers. Let's get started. Okay, here I have a pound of ground turkey. And I know I said these are turkey burgers, and they are, but I'm also going to add some 80-20 ground beef. And the reason I'm doing that is because, turkey is really dry and I don't want a dry burger. So I'm going to add a pound of this ground beef as well. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. You can use all turkey. Okay. And I have some bell peppers, red and green. And I have some white onions. I have some sage, maybe about a teaspoon or so. Be careful, you don't want to add too much. A little shaky shake. Okay, that's fine. And I have some nature seasoning, and this has onions, garlic. It has celery seed and a bunch of things in here. So we're gonna add some of this in. Goes well with turkey. That ought to do it. I'm going to add some pepper. That was messy. I'm going to add some turkey gravy. Just some. That ought to do it. That was about a half a packet. And I have some turkey stock. So I'm going to use to moisten so we can mix it together. Just a little. Get it mixed together well. Smells good. And here I have some clarified butter that's heating up. We're just going to make some patties and get them in there. Just check. And you make them as big or as small as you like. That clarified butter browns them up nicely, and it also adds flavor. A lot of us add butter to our turkey. Same thing. Okay. Same thing. Oops. Get these going. We're going to cook these until the other side's brown really nicely, and we're going to turn it over and wait for the other side to do the same thing. I'll let that go, and I'm going to cover this up just to prevent making a mess. It's been about 4 minutes. Don't smash them down. Keep them nice and thick. Cover. About 5 minutes on this side. So I'm just going to take them out. Turn my pan down 2 or 3. Put some turkey gravy in the pan. I didn't pour any of the oil out, or butter, shall I say. Ooh. Let me see today. Need a little more. Well, some more. It's the second pack. And that's clarified butter. Just needed a little bit more. Back here I have some turkey stock. I'm just going to add some more because I want it to be warm when I add it to this warm dish, this warm pan. Looking crazy, excuse me. Let me get my whisk. Change hands. Turn my pan down to 3. Sorry about that noise. I'll fix it though. Hope that's better on the ears. Oh, that was irritating me. Let's taste it. You know what? I have ground down some rosemary and some thyme. And I'm just going to add a little pinch to this gravy. Plenty right there. Let me taste it now. Oh yeah, that's tasty. And I have some onions. Some onions. This is a whole, like, medium onion. It's up to you how much you add in. If you don't want to add any, then don't. Ooh, clumsy today. Okay. Gonna get those going, and then we're going to taste it one more time. Yeah, that's good. That's good. And that's why I didn't cook them fully. We're gonna let them finish cooking down in this gravy. Oh yeah. Those juices in there. And we're gonna let this simmer on low for about 35 minutes. Gonna cover it, and like I said, let it simmer for about 35 minutes. Let you get a little closer so you can see. These are ready. All the flavors have marinated together, and it's delicious. I'm gonna make a plate. I have made some mashed potatoes, and I just seasoned them with chicken stock, salt and pepper, and butter. That's all I use for these. And for a side, I have some string beans and carrots. I seasoned them up pretty much the same way. I boiled them for 12 minutes. My carrots and my string beans, I boiled them for 12 minutes, and I mixed some chicken stock with some water and added some pepper and some salt into the water. And out of there, I drained them and into a pan with some clarified butter, tossed them around, added a little salt and pepper, and there you have it. I'm just gonna add some gravy. You like gravy? Me too. Me too. Just gonna add some in there. A couple of these patties. These onions are delicious too. Don't forget the onions. Let me get some. I have my little taster's plate here. Yeah, that tastes good. See one more time. Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget to pray. Remember to give me a thumbs up, comment, and share if you haven't. And if you have, thank you so, so much. Share with friends and family, and comment. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, stay safe and stay blessed. I love you. You. I really do. Let me take it one more time. Think about it. Alright, I'm going to finish my dinner. Later.